Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great, you all are safe at home. So today we are going to start the poem Meadow Surprises. Meadow Surprises, which has been composed by Louise Brandeis Phillips. So first of all, the question comes in our mind, the meaning of meadow. What is the meaning of meadow? The meaning of meadow is grassland. When we go to park with our parents, so we find park is full of surprises. So many surprises are there in the park, in the grass and in the meadow, wherever you go. Yes, but we have to observe the scene. If we go, we play, we come back, we will never find any. But yes, if you observe the scene, you will find many surprises over there. So our poem is Meadow Surprises. So I am going to read the poem and will explain line by line. Meadows have surprises. Meadow is full of surprises. You can find them if you look. What is the meaning of look over here? Meadow is, grassland is, garden is full of surprises. But you can find the surprises only when you look at them, only when you observe them. Otherwise, you will never find the surprises. Walk softly through the velvet grass. What is the first surprise? The velvet grass. Yes, when we walk barefoot. When we walk barefoot on the grass, we feel the grass is very soft like a velvet. So what is the first surprise? Velvet grass. What is the first surprise? Velvet grass. So when we go to the meadow, when we go to the park, we find the grass is very soft. And listen by the brook. And what is the meaning of brook over here? Brook means river. So the river which is flowing nearby. The river which is flowing nearby, it actually produces a different sound which soothes our ear, which actually make us happy. So what is the second surprise? Brook. So meadow is full of surprises like velvet grass, brook. What is the next surprise? You may see a butterfly. Yes. Why we see a butterfly in the garden? Because garden is full of flowers. So we find on a buttercup, a butterfly is sitting. Why a butterfly is sitting on a buttercup? Because it is sucking up the nectar. So what is the next surprise in the meadow? Butterfly. What is the next surprise? Butterfly, which is actually sucking up the nectar. To sip the nectar up, you may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. The rabbit was sitting still. It was taking rest. But as you go closer to the rabbit, as you go near to the rabbit, you find the rabbit gets scared. Alright. How? Because it gets scared when you are near. Though at first you do not notice the rabbit. At first, when you actually go there, you never notice the rabbit. But soon you go closer, the rabbit hops. The rabbit hops. So what is the second surprise? Rabbit. What is the next surprise? Rabbit. And then Dandelion, whose fuzzy head was golden days ago. A dandelion. What is dandelion? Dandelion is a flower. So a dandelion which was golden a few days ago, now it is ready to turn into a parachute. When you blow the little parachute, when you blow a little dandelion, it is ready to fly. Yes, because it is golden now and is ready to fly. So whenever you blow a little dandelion, it is ready to fly. So what is the next surprise? The next surprise is dandelion. The next we talk about different surprising houses. What houses we have in the meadow? So first is obviously related to rabbit. Where does a rabbit live? Burrow. So what is the next surprise? Burrow. Where does a rabbit live? So obvious, if rabbit is there in the middle, it means burrow is also there in the middle. The next surprise. What is the next surprise? The next surprise in the middle is ant mounds. The next surprise is ant mounds. Now, what is ant mounds? Ant mounds where ants do live. What is ant mound? Where do ants live? So, what is the next surprise? Let me read the line for you. Ants amazing mound, where we find so many ants together. Oh, meadow have surprises and many things are there to tell you about a meadow. Why so many things? Again, I am repeating the same. Meadow is full of surprises. When you go there, you yourself can discover. You may discover the surprises yourself. If you go there, you observe and you listen well. So now, after listening to my poem, after seeing this poem, after reading this poem, you all go to meadow, you all go to grassland, you all go to park and observe all the surprises. And then enjoy. Thank you so much. Have a good day.